Also, what we would like to do in here is kind of convert this into more of a classroom for, the different concealed and carry classes. We can do 20 and 40-hour classes, different things like this. And we're hoping to be able to turn this in where we'll have the ammunition and the gun sales and things like that. But we are pushing for this to be more of a training facility, not just a gun range, but where people can learn. I mean, and I want all people to learn. And we have a Second Amendment rights, but it goes deeper than that. It's just not about carrying guns. It's about the ability to, exercise your rights. We're going to turn this area here into fingerprinting, because we're doing fingerprinting as well. Fingerprinting and background checks. We're also doing embroidery. We have commercial embroidery, which we'll probably turn. It's a little messy in here, y'all. We still building, but we have embroidery machine, commercial embroidery. So we'll be doing embroidery as well. I still like, music. So I'm still going to be doing music. You heard it. You're going to be hearing the jingle for IHaveVisions.com coming from here. But we getting set up. And I'm not ashamed to show you where we come from because of where we're going. And that's the point of IHaveVisions.com, to basically just, show you that you start from the bottom. That's the best way to start. But you're going to see this place. It's going to flourish. It's going to be beautiful. Dead people going to rise, but I just want to thank you guys and ask that you support IHaveVisions.com